Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to know about the new Ipados 26.5. I have been using this update on my iPad 10th generation for a couple of days. As you can see here, Ipados 26.5. Actually this is a very good update. As of now there is no problem whatsoever in terms of battery backup, heating issue or any screen flickering or multitasking. Everything is perfect in this new update. Talking about the screen, after this update there is no screen flickering issue. So if you are interested to update to the latest version and if you are afraid about screen flickering, in that case I would suggest you that there is no problem in this update. There will be no screen flickering, no screen burn issue on this update. Actually this is a very stable update. Your device will not heat up, as a result of which you will get great battery life also. On a single charge I am getting a battery life of about 8 hours plus, so I think that is a very good battery life. As you can see here, I have charged the device up to 64% on Friday and today is Monday, and I got around, let me show you, 1 hour, then 1 hour, then 20 minutes, and today 1 hour and 24 minutes. So you can expect that, as you can see here, 20% battery have been used, and on that 20% I got around 1 hour and 25 minutes screen on time. So you can expect around 8 to 9 hours SOT on a single charge. I think that is a very good screen on time. After this update I got a new feature. As you can see here, like this, you can see your recent opening files, and if you want to open any file you can do so like this. And actually this is a shortcut of the file app, as you can see here. Okay, so suppose I want to open this folder, so it will take me to folder files app. As you can see here, and then it will automatically download in Wi-Fi, and then you can play that like this. So this is a very cool feature, I would say. After this 26.5 update I got this new feature, and in multitasking there is no problem. You can open too many apps in the background, as you can see here, and there will be no hiccups or lag or stutter. So I think this is a very good update. If you want to update to the latest version, this is the right update that you are looking for. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are interested to update to the latest version or not. But if you are not interested to update to Ipados 26.5, a new update will come very soon. That will be 26.5.1, and I will update that also and show you what are the changes you are getting on that update. So stay tuned for that video also. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.